Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, maybe you've noticed that an awful lot of real estate agents are not very focused on success. They're not focused on the results that they need to provide in order to provide for their family. So the way this came about, I've worked with thousands and thousands of agents around the country, and it never surprises me when someone comes in, say for an example, they join my group, they get involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle, they do it for a couple of weeks, they make a little bit of money, things are going pretty well with them, a closing's like $5,000, $8,000, whatever that number is, they make some good money, and then they get distracted. Then they go out doing other things. They're on another webinar. They're trying another service. And, it surprises me how many people would say, I've tried this and I've tried that and I tried that and I tried this and I don't want to sign any contract. I just want to do this for 2 weeks and move on. That is a recipe for disaster. If you're not focused as a real estate agent, if you don't find a system that you know, that you love, that you believe in, so you will actually take action as though you believe in it. Obviously you can't sell something if you don't believe in it, right? You can't sell a vacuum cleaner for $2,000 if you don't really believe that's a $2,000 vacuum cleaner. The biggest problem for most agents, they don't believe in themselves. They don't believe they have the ability to do it. So I've talked to a lot of agents that, I tell them, look, there's a 100% chance that our system will get closings in your marketplace. 100%. I'm 100% confident in that, and we've done it over and over and over. I've actually, unfortunately, from a cocky standpoint, I've told somebody, they're like, well, my area is different. It's not going to work. I'm like, tell me your zip code. I'll have appointments there tomorrow, and I won't even be in that state. It's easy to do, but you have to know what you're doing, believe in what you're doing, and actually implement. So the whole distraction problem of agents trying this, trying that, I got 330 emails yesterday, I'm going to check this out for a while. All of that stuff is pulling you away from the things that actually work, that will get you closings in your local marketplace. You got to get on, I own a bunch of racehorses, and in the racehorse business, we have blinders that we put on them. That's so they'll focus on their own race, not everybody else's. You know what's in your email account? You know what's in your email box right now? Other people's agenda, not yours. You need to focus on your agenda, have a path, have somebody create that GPS for you that says, here's where we're going, here's exactly where I want to go, and here's how we're going to get there. And stay focused on that. Leave the blinders on so you can actually get to success. This is not about, try this out for a while, try that out for a while. Let me tell you, if you're trying something, it's the opposite of actually doing something. I think you'll agree with that, right? So you have to take action accordingly, and you have to make those things work. There's no such thing as easy in this business. It doesn't exist. You got to be focused on what you're doing here. If you keep buying the next thing, trying the next thing, signing up for the next thing, hoping for something that's easy, turn in your real estate license. If you've been doing this for years, or worse yet, decades, and your net worth is still like literally nil, if you don't have $100,000, 200, if you're not building a retirement for yourself, they say we need $2 million to retire. That means you will never retire. It means you'll be the 95-year-old realtor. And why? It's because of those daily actions that are happening each and every day, not staying focused on what you need to do. So I want you to choose a path and get all of that crap out of the way. Get focused in on what you need to be doing here. Stay dedicated to what you're doing. I've got agents that have been involved in our coaching with Greg Luther Inner Circle or above. They've been involved with us for 8 years, 10 years. Frankly, they stay involved until they're retired. We've got some agents that were on a 4-year path, and we were able to get them retired with a bunch of money in their pocket. But there's also people that come around for like a month or two, and then they sign up for the next shit. And then the next thing, they're going nowhere. And they're like, why do you even bother? Why not just turn in your real estate license and go get a freaking job to struggle the rest of your life? You got to get focused on something that works and be a business owner for once. Actually focus in on results. Give yourself 90 days to make something work. Like, this is a massive life change and business change for you. Give yourself 90 days of focused effort. Believe in yourself for once that I'm going to make this shit work. I know it's up to me. I know this works for everybody else. So if it doesn't work, it's my fault. A lot of being a CEO comes down to personal responsibility, personal accountability. right? So anyway, get focused in on what you're doing. Shut off all those shiny objects and get them out of your way. And most importantly, give yourself a commitment that you're actually going to do something for a while. You're going to create results for yourself and use something that's proven. There's a lot of programs out there that work. I would by no means would say mine is the only one that does. But hey, mine does damn well. We live awful good based on what we've created over the years. And if you've been to our live events, you've seen countless agents that have created the exact same thing. So get yourself together, act like a CEO, believe in your business model, and really, really get focused in. So hopefully that message rings true with you here. Go out and make some money here. If you have any questions or you need me to help you out, certainly reach out to us, send us a DM. You are welcome to sign up for our Wednesday training, closingseverymonth.com. Should be in the link here somewhere, closingseverymonth.com. And you can see more about us and our inner circle coaching and that type of thing, gregluthercoaching.com. Go out there and sell some houses, man. Let's get some closings for yourself. If you find this message to hit a chord with you, like the video, make sure you're following our page, share it with a friend that's a real estate agent and needs to get their stuff in order. There's an awful lot of them, right? So get to work. Let me know how I can help. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.